Hey, welcome to Dr. Rose's Kitchen. So today's recipe is noodles, and our ingredients are onions, carrots, bell pepper, sardine, corned beef, noodles, eggs, powdered pepper, and then vegetable oil. So I'll go ahead and put my water on fire and then come and start chopping my vegetables. So this is onions. I'm chopping it the way I want it. I actually like a lot of onions in my noodles. Yes, and unfortunately, I don't have most of the vegetables in the house. So I'll go and check my water. The water is boiling. So I'll add my noodles and then add my spices and cover it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Yes, and then I'll just pour the water and I'll come back and chop my other vegetables. So at this point, I'm going to chop it the way I want it since I don't have enough vegetables. Yes, so the kids are here, they're watching TV, and I'm sure they're waiting for their noodles. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and bring my carrots and then chop it the way I want as well. So most of the time, this is how I love my noodles, with cabbage, but I don't have cabbage today. Yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and then break my eggs, add a pinch of salt, and then start whisking it. Whisk it till you are okay, and then stop. So this is my powdered pepper, and then this is my noodle spices. So let's get started. So this is my pot. I'm gonna pour my oil and I'll make it hot, and then I'll add my eggs. At this point, you can start breaking your eggs. Stir it to break it. Scatter it, yes. Scatter your eggs. So at this point, you add your onions and keep stirring it. Add your carrots and keep stirring. Add your bell pepper and keep stirring. Keep stirring like you are doing vegetable stir frying. Yes. So we will add our corned beef at this point and keep stirring. We'll go ahead and add our sardine as well and keep stirring. At this point, we will add our powdered pepper and then our noodle spice and keep stirring. At this point, we are coming to add our noodles. Add it bit by bit. Stir it gently till everything gets spice, or till everything is well mixed. So now our noodles look well mixed. Yes. So I'll go ahead and serve myself first since I prepared it. Okay, so at this point the noodles is ready. Thank you so much for watching this recipe. Please subscribe, share, and like. Support me. Thank you so much. My name is Dr. Rosie. You can see me on all the social media handles. Bye bye.